So, this is how to export and import WooCommerce products with images without losing half your pictures in the process. Jump into your WordPress dashboard and hit Products, then All Products. There's an export button right at the top that lets you grab all your product data in one go. Click that and you'll get a bunch of options. But here's the thing, the default settings are actually perfect for what you need. Just leave Export All Columns, Export All Products, and Export All Categories checked. The one box you absolutely have to tick is yes, export all custom meta, because that's what grabs your image data. Without that, you're basically exporting products with no pictures, which defeats the whole point. Hit Generate CSV and save it wherever you can find it later. If you're moving this stuff to a new website, here's where people mess up. You can't just import the CSV and expect the images to magically appear. Those image URLs in your file are still pointing to your old site. So first, go to Media and Add New in your new WordPress dashboard and upload all your product images to the media library. Once that's done, open your CSV in Excel or Google Sheets. Find the columns with image URLs and replace each old URL with the new one from your media library. Yeah, it's tedious, but it's the only way to make sure everything connects properly. You get these new URLs by clicking each image in your media library and copying the file URL. Save your updated CSV file and head back to Products, All Products, then hit Import. Upload your file and you'll see a mapping screen where WordPress tries to figure out what goes where. Make sure Images maps to Product Images and Featured Image maps to Featured Image. Then click Run the Importer. WordPress does its thing and processes everything. Give it a minute, then check a few products to make sure the images actually made it through correctly.